Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Today I have another special box for you. This is a new box to this channel, and I need to thank Monique of Monique's Unique Critique because she is the one that actually, I guess, showed me all about Decor Steals. And yes, I have purchased some items from Decor Steals from time to time, and I have shown those to you. But this time I bought their quarterly box. Yes, Decor Steals has a quarterly box for $124.99. You can get over $500 worth of decor that's coordinated for your home. And this is the Christmas edition. And it might be more than normal. It seems like to me their other boxes have been like $99 a quarter. This one was $124.99, and I can't wait to get in this box. And my puppies can't wait to get out and play, so I'm going to have to hurry up. Alright guys, this is how it came today. Decor Steal box. It's the Steal It box, Decor Steals. It came in a nice decorated box. Came in a nice big box. It's a little bit heavy, and it says inside, "The wait is over. Your new favorite pieces have finally arrived. When you're ready to show them off," they have places that you can do, like send at Decor Steals and use hashtag StealItBox on Instagram. So inside, when I open this up, I guess this might be our product book. Yes, telling us all about the nice items that we have in here. It shows us what our steals are. Woo! I gave you a flash. We got a hello there card, and it's all sealed up with their Steal It box. Little seal. And it matches the outside of the box that we were sent. And it says, ooh, holiday gift tags. What a nice touch. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I thought they were going to give me some thank you note. I like this better, actually. I can use these. Wonderful. Thank you, Steal It box. Decor Steals. They actually have a thank you from the bottom of our heart. That's their tag that they use to put on their paper, and I just ripped it in half. Maybe I can rip it enough to show you how they had it on there. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So my box is wrapped up in this paper with a thank you note, and we know we got the hello there holiday gift tag. First item in here is kind of big, and it says Steal It box, Decor Steals. And let's find out what we have in here. This is a lighted holiday wreath, and it already has the lights attached. Let's turn it on. Probably has to have batteries. Yep, gotta have some batteries. Looks like it takes 3 AA batteries. So once I get my batteries in there, that'll be able to light up. But isn't that pretty? That's my first item. Let's see if it has anything to say about it. It is the pine wreath. Okay, the pre-lit pine wreath. The pine wreath represents the magnificence of winter, and with the addition of warm twinkling lights, this piece truly is a showstopper. Breathtaking in its overall beauty, this pre-lit wreath is exactly what every home needs, both as is or embellished with any special additions you choose. Place the wreath over your mantle, on your wall, in a window, or your front door. The wreath looks lovely indoors, but would look equally gorgeous in a protected outdoor area as well. But isn't that wreath pretty? That is very pretty. Alright, that was present number 1. Okay, the next item I'm going to pull out of here is in the middle, and this too is kind of heavy. And this is wrapped in foam for protection, obviously. Ah, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. This is made out of wrought iron. This is so gorgeous. There's two of them. There's like this one's just a little bit smaller. But aren't those lovely? Oh my goodness. I love those. And they're made of real cast iron. This is very good quality, guys. I'm actually going to be sending these out as a gift to a family member that likes to go deer hunting. And I figured this would be a perfect gift for them. And these are very nice. Very, very nice. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, guys, just to show you kind of how neat and nice they have this pack. They had that first box on top, and then they had that one in the center. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more boxes in here to open. So, what do we go for? Let's go for this one. Another skillet box. Ah, more garland. Oh yes, look at this. Isn't that pretty? It's nice and long. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Nice wood beads with the fringe on the end. Very nice. Very Christmassy. Love that. In my little skillet box. And I think I told y'all this whole box is over $500 worth of decor. So you're getting your money's worth for that $124. No doubt about it. There's another little box over here, so let's go ahead and get the other little one and see what's in it. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can't see it. Isn't that cute? All I want for Christmas is you. This is a beautiful picture stand. And of course, you can keep that card in there, or you can put a family photo in here. Or you could put a nice scenic photo of something that's special to you for Christmas. Oh, that's so nice. This is beautiful. Yeah, and it's very sturdy. Again, I can't tell you how well the quality is of these items. So you're getting some very nice quality items at a very good price. At a skillet price, I guess. That's why it's called the skillet box. Oh wow. Yeah, that's very, very pretty. So far, guys, I'm loving this box. Well, now we're on to a bigger box. And we're in this one. And let's see what they have for us in this box. Oh, I can tell you right now it's black, has candles, and it is a black lantern. Oh my goodness, isn't that pretty? I'm going to leave it in the plastic, but isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Very, very nice. Did y'all get a good look? I know I didn't take it out of the package, but this is wood. The whole thing is made out of raw wood, and it's painted black. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. You can still get the skillet box. I seen it today. If you're interested in this, I don't have any codes or anything. I can just tell you, if you want some nice Christmas decor and or gifts for someone, it's still available. I don't know how long that'll be available, but if you're interested, I'd pop over there. DecorSteals.com, I believe. I'll have that down in the description. Alright, let's see what's in this box. Another skillet box. My little puppies are getting anxious. They're ready to come out and play. Oh, it's a blanket. How nice. Looks to be a very good quality blanket. I know I forgot to read about all these things. There's just so much to read and find out. Guys, this is really pretty. It's got little pom-poms on the end. It's going to be nice and warm and cozy. I Oh, that's very nice. They've thought of everything while you're sitting by the fire. With all your Christmas decor and the snow coming down, you can have a nice little creamy, warm blanket. And the next item is, this is another box that's taped down. They really pack it up really good, so if you got concern of that, don't be concerned. It's all in one piece. They're packed very well. I now remember this. I can't take this apart. This is a little Christmas town. Yes, I'm going to have to get that book so I can show it to you. See the lights? You see that little plug? This little town you can put around your tree or somewhere in your home, and it lights up like a little village. And I think I seen them show it around a Christmas tree. It was so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Here's some pictures of the configurations. It's got several different landscapes. Something you have to put together, obviously. But something that's well worth it. Let me see if I can find that in here. The picture frame was made out of antique brass, by the way. That's why it felt so heavy. Such good quality. Here they show a picture of it with the song Silent Night in the picture frame. So there's all kinds of ideas that you can use for these items. Different decor items. Okay, here it is. Here's the village lit up. They show two different things. It's in a symbol. They have in symbol instructions, obviously. And not only is this piece amazing as a tree collar, but for those that don't put up a tree or don't celebrate Christmas, you can use it as a beautiful display piece on your mantle, dining table, or entry table. So that's what they're showing there, being on the entry table. Oh, and here it is for the Christmas tree to go around it. Isn't that so cool? Yeah, it's the Light Up Winter Village. Traditional tree skirts have met their match with this handcrafted Winter Village tree collar. This is such an incredible piece. We wanted to bring you an amazing item that brings the holidays in and kicks an unparalleled family memories. This piece takes on a multiple uses as it's pre-lit with warm LED lights, and it's constructed of 6 connectable sections. Make it versatile in all spaces. The 6 sections can be configured as hexagon-shaped tree collar for smaller trees, a semicircle for larger trees, or a linear display to suit any space in your home. Just plug into the USB wall adapter and watch the magic of this charming piece radiate in your home, beaming with holiday cheer for your festive family traditions. And I would just have to agree with that. That is really phenomenal. That is extra special. The wood and jute tassel garland, that is a 73-inch long, 100% mango wood garland strung with jute. The brass picture frame, we already said it was an antique style brass. The cast iron reindeer is a charming pair of heavy handcrafted cast iron reindeer, which that's what I thought it was whenever I was handling it. It's very sturdy and it's just excellent quality. The oversized pom-pom blanket, a super soft and cozy blanket with darling pom-pom detail. And then of course we talked about the black wood lantern that's handcrafted textured fir wood candle lantern with handle. And our pre-lit pine wreath, which is useful for all kinds of things. So this box, I mean, it was just excellent. Wouldn't you agree? And it shows how you can have that garland in through the tree. And then we've got our reindeer. I don't know what my favorite thing is. We had the frame, and they put Silent Night in the song. Then we've got the light up wreath. Oh my gosh, this box has just blown me away. Got the lantern, and then we've got the pom-pom blanket. Just very, very nice. Just, I guess they've blown me away. And now I can see why it's so popular and why people order the Steal It box. And again, this is a quarterly box that you can get, and they always, I guess, decorate according to theme. I think their last one was related around Halloween and Thanksgiving, so you can only imagine how well that box was. So again, if you're interested in this decor, go over to Decor Steals. I'll have everything down in the description for you. But that's all I have today. What was your favorite? I mean, can you even narrow it down to one item? They did such an excellent job. I don't know what my favorite is. I'm looking around and I'm just thinking, there's just too much. There's just too much. I don't know what my favorite is. I mean, that village, the wreath, oh my gosh, the deer, everything. This box, I liked everything. I loved it all. I don't know what to narrow it down to. I'm speechless. That's hard to say. I hardly am ever speechless. But you let me know if you had a particular favorite. And remember, keep a lookout for my videos. I'm going to be having my 350 to subscriber giveaway coming up soon. And I'm going to be having some surprise giveaways, or I already do have some surprise giveaways going on. You'll just have to go through my videos to find out which ones they are. But with that said, I'm going to end it today. I want to thank each and every one of you for being with me and sticking through this Decor Steals, and I hope you were just as awed as I was. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't decided to subscribe, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel. You will see that I do many different types of unboxings and some beauty, and every once in a while I do off-the-wall things like the Omnilux, which is a face lead mask that has really already improved my skin a lot. I do videos of that and updates and just a lot of giveaways, and I do battles with my daughter Laura Wooten with Laura Wooten Unboxings. So I guess that's all, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.